Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maja and today in this episode I will talk about anxiety. Welcome to a new episode of Healing Depths. I would love to try to guide you through what you can experience and discover on my channel with energy exercises that you can practice anytime and anywhere. So, what is anxiety? Anxiety is an ancient phenomenon, and all human beings experience it. It occurs in all cultures, and all medical and health systems offer ways to help us cope with it. And at the same time, it is hard to define what is anxiety. So it is an elusive vibration that takes many forms. We can also say in modern culture, anxiety is often seen as a condition that can be treated in specific ways, partly through psychotherapy and partly through medication. So, this is a relatively new way of trying to cope with anxiety. In the older classical Chinese healthcare system and model, anxiety is considering part of person's overall energy pattern, and therefore the well-being of the whole person is what is studied and straightened. So the Qi Gong tradition of cultivating inner energy is dedicated to this approach. What is Qi Gong? Qi means energy. Gong means work with energy. So, some practitioners, also my colleagues, believe these two approaches are different. I want to share something with you. There is nothing in this episode and on my channel that requires anyone to give up any medication, therapy, or self help methods they are using to cope with their anxiety. The energy work I share with you on my channel can be used regardless of whether you have an anxiety disorder or just struggling with everyday stress. Qi Gong does not treat your feelings, not even your most terrifying and difficult feelings, as enemies. The centuries old and beautiful tradition is based on respecting one's feeling, attitudes, and behaviors, including their deepest psychological patterns as part of their overall energy field. So, working with this overall energy field is at the heart of my work and this system that I will share with you. Here on my channel, in every episode with me, you will discover where ancient wisdom meets the latest scientific studies, and both emphasize the reality of each person's direct personal experience. The energy practice I will share with you is, we can say, fully compatible with psychotherapy and all other practices that empower individuals to relate to physical and emotional pain in ways that see them as powerful aspects of a full life. I want you to enjoy, to just follow your sense. And what is interesting, the word anxiety is English and come from the root word that means I can't breathe. One of the translation for the Chinese word qi is breath. People who have a panic attack, for example, are often told to take a few deep breaths. Imagine what it would be like if we could breathe in that relaxed, calming way at all times in our lives. Just imagine. And I hope you find the work enjoyable and helpful, and look forward to sharing your insights with me in the comments. Okay, let's start. Rub your palms together to activate your energy and refresh your face, throat, chest, heart chakra, and finish at your lower belly with your energy. Relax your hands and slowly start tapping. Repeat after me. I have been feeling anxious for a long time. I feel overwhelmed by anxiety in important and significant situations that I wish I could handle with ease. Anxiety often makes my life difficult. Anxiety complicates my relationships with others and my relationship with myself. The anxiety I feel is not me, even though it often paralyzes me. I feel anxiety in social situations, at work, with friends, when meeting someone new. I feel anxiety when I want to complete a project and when someone is important to me. It comes unexpectedly. Even though I feel anxiety, I deeply and completely believe in myself. I love myself. I accept myself. I respect myself. I believe in myself deeply and completely. I love myself and I accept myself. Even though I feel anxiety, I deeply and completely believe in myself. Now we will start tapping on the thymus point. I deeply and completely believe in myself, even though I feel anxiety. I love myself and accept myself. I deeply and completely believe in myself. I deeply love myself and I accept myself. I know who I am. Take a deep breath, place your hands on your lower belly and feel your energy. Feel yourself and slowly find the rhythm of your balance and self-trust. You might sway back and forth or you might stay still, and both are okay. After a few deep breaths, return to the starting position and feel your energy. And imagine turning it into a large burning ball. Raise your hands upwards, holding the energetic ball, and slowly bend your knees as you lower it down. Feel your energy. Feel the heat of your energy moving through your body, and now lift the ball high above your head and throw it down with as much energy as you can, imagining it scattering like a shower on the floor around you. You can do this several times at your own pace, taking a deep breath as you lift it up, then exhale as you throw it to the ground. Just follow your rhythm. And when you feel ready, return to the center and the starting position. Place your hands on your dantian, lower belly and breathe deeply and slowly. We will return to EFT therapy. We start at the thymus point with gentle tapping. Even though I have felt anxiety in many situations, I now let it go. Even though it has kept me trapped in many situations, I let it go. I let go this feeling of anxiety. This feeling of anxiety. I let go this feeling of anxiety. I just let go this feeling of anxiety. Even though I still sometimes feel anxious in many situations, I deeply and completely love and accept myself, and I release the anxiety. I deeply and completely love and accept myself and release the anxiety. I deeply and completely love and accept myself and release the anxiety. I deeply and completely love and accept myself and release the anxiety. I deeply and completely love and accept myself and release the anxiety. We will finish by tapping our wrist points. Feel the energy and then slowly start tapping from the heart area down each arm, from the outside to the inside several times, to open your heart to everything that comes, to yourself, and to a life without anxiety. And when you finish, please thank your energy, and with a deep breath, holding your hands on your lower belly, your dantian, silently say to yourself, "Thank you for teaching me how to hear, see, and accept myself from a new perspective. And I thank you for your time also. See you in the next episode."